Tonight we're going to solve multi-step equations. The first thing I would like you to do is write this equation down so you can do it at the same time that I'm doing it. Negative 4n minus 15 equals 5 times the quantity n minus 1 plus 8. In your notes, you have 5 steps for solving a multi-step equation. Step 1 is always to distribute. So we're going to look through the problem and find where we have a number directly outside the parentheses with no addition or subtraction separating it. That means that 5 is being multiplied by the quantity of n minus 1. So I'm going to distribute 5 into the parentheses. After each step, we carry down everything we haven't used. So I'm going to carry down negative 4n minus 15 equals 5 times n is 5n. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. So I can put minus 5 and then bring down the plus 8 that we haven't used yet. Step 2 is to combine like terms on both sides of the equal sign. I'm going to draw a straight line down the equal sign to separate between a left side and a right side. On the left side, we have two terms, negative 4n and negative 15. These are not like terms because one has a variable and one does not. However, on the right side of the equal sign, we have like terms. Negative 5 and positive 8 are both constants, so they are both like terms. As in the previous step, I'll carry down everything I haven't used yet, and then I will combine the like terms. Negative 5 and positive 8 is positive 3, so I'll put plus 3. Step 3 is to see if there are variables on both sides of the equal sign. In this case, there are. There's a variable term here and a variable term here. We want to eliminate one of them. We do that by doing its inverse. The inverse of negative 4n is positive 4n. The inverse of positive 5n is negative 5n. I want to keep the variable term positive if possible, so I'm going to add 4n to each side. Negative 4n and positive 4n equals 0. That's additive identity, so I don't need to write it. I'll also add 4n to the other side to keep it balanced. As we do in every step, I'm going to carry down everything I haven't used. Don't forget to bring the negative down with the negative 15. 5n plus 4n is 9n. And we carry down the plus 3. Step 4 in solving a multi-step equation is to cover up the variable term. So I'll cover up the 9n, and I see what's left, a plus 3. So I want to get rid of the plus 3. Well, the inverse of adding 3 is subtracting 3. So I'll do minus 3 directly below it. Now to keep it balanced, I'll do minus 3 to the left side of the equal sign as well. Negative 15 minus 3 is negative 18. I'm going to bring down the 9n because I haven't used it yet. And positive 3 and negative 3 are equals 0. So cancel it out. And the last step is to divide by 9. And the reason why I'm going to divide is because 9 and n are being multiplied. The inverse of multiplying is dividing. And I can cross it off because 9 divided by 9 is 1, which is the multiplicative identity. 1 times n would just leave me with n. Negative 18 divided by 9 is negative 2. So I'm just going to rewrite it so the variable comes first. So our final answer is negative n equals negative 2.